Looking to cut underhood temperatures and squeeze out more performance from your exhaust system? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 exhaust heat wraps that do exactly that. Effectively, affordably, and reliably. First on our list is the Design Engineering Titanium Exhaust Heat Wrap. This premium option is crafted from pulverized lava rock, woven into a flexible fiber. Unlike traditional fiberglass wraps, this DEI titanium version handles extreme temperatures up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit and resists fraying and chemical degradation. It's perfect for turbo builds, race setups, or anyone who wants to protect adjacent components from radiant heat. The wrap is extremely pliable, which makes installation easier on tight bends and curves, and it maintains a sleek matte finish after thousands of miles. Many users have reported a noticeable reduction in engine bay heat, sometimes as much as 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps keep air intake temperatures down, improves component longevity, and can even translate into modest gains in horsepower by optimizing exhaust flow. Next, we have the SUNPLUSTRADE Fiberglass Exhaust Heat Wrap, one of the most budget-friendly and popular choices on Amazon. This 2-inch by 50-foot roll is rated for 1,400 degrees Fahrenheit continuous exposure and up to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit intermittent. It's a traditional fiberglass wrap that includes stainless steel locking ties, making it a complete starter kit. Thousands of DIY mechanics praise it for its performance at a fraction of the price. It installs easily and holds up well on everything from headers to motorcycle pipes. While it may not have the same durability as the DEI titanium, it's a strong contender for weekend warriors or those looking to experiment with thermal management without breaking the bank. Coming in third is the ARTR Titanium Header Wrap Kit, which offers excellent value by including 2 50-foot rolls and a full set of stainless steel zip ties. It's made from a high-temp basalt fiber and boasts the same 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit heat resistance as more expensive brands. What sets this wrap apart is its generous coverage, ideal for dual exhausts, V-engines, or those who want to insulate both headers and downpipes in a single kit. Users consistently report good long-term performance and ease of application. It maintains structural integrity even under harsh driving conditions, making it a practical choice for both performance enthusiasts and daily drivers. Fourth, we have the AOCISKA Fiberglass Exhaust Wrap. This is another solid performer, designed to withstand 1,400 degrees Fahrenheit direct heat and 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit radiant heat. It also comes with stainless steel ties and is praised for being tightly woven, offering a secure and consistent wrap across all pipe diameters. Customers have noted that it's surprisingly durable even when exposed to oil or moisture in off-road or all-season environments. Whether you're working on a daily driver, a drift car, or UTV, the AOCISKA wrap does a great job keeping heat in the pipes and out of the engine bay. Finally, a unique entry rounds out our list, the FIBERFIX Heat Wrap. This isn't your typical exhaust wrap. It's a water-activated, hardened, fiberglass repair wrap designed for quick fixes. Rated up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit, it's best used for emergency repairs on cracked pipes, mufflers, or other high-heat components. While not ideal for full header insulation, it provides an invaluable temporary solution when you're on the road or trail. It cures into a rigid shell within minutes and can save you from costly breakdowns when heat-related damage strikes unexpectedly.